Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update failed. Don't worry. Here's a quick and easy way to fix it. First, restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot clears temporary glitches that block updates. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable, because a weak connection can interrupt the update process. Now, let's run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, and click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and hit Run. This tool will automatically detect and fix common problems. If the issue is still there, try clearing the update cache. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Windows Update, right-click it, and select Stop. Then go to C drive and delete all files inside that folder. After that, go back and start the Windows Update service again. Finally, check for updates again in Settings. Most of the time, this fixes the problem. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.